different one. Plain red dress. This is from Pretty Little Thing. It's a size 8, so I don't know if it's gonna fit, but we're gonna try it. As long as I look good, you know, this is it with everything on. Let's try it. Yep, a little red and blue Haitian girl. This is a guy's before I wore white back in December of last year. My team, we have Nessa, DJ, and Mary.
Yeah, make it tighter. Tighter.
And we're setting up the table. Yes, sir, that's so cute. I like it. Yeah, if you just right there. Perfect. Ciao.
Yep.
Gotta push it. Okay, now stand under it so I can act like I'm taking a picture of the seat. Okay, everybody gonna be like that. Okay, great.
You said no, it's not. Hang on, hang on.
Lori Agenor, magna cum laude. Ariel Alexis, summa cum laude.
Anger.
Congrats, Ariel. Period. This time we have on red. Oh, I need to figure out this cap because I have different hair. Well, it's actually the same wig, but it has to be worn a little bit differently. Alright, so I have the heels on. Let me show you guys the 2 different options. So we have this one, the comfortable Steve Madden shoe, excuse my ashiness. Or we have this other Steve Madden shoe, which definitely is more graduation appropriate with the sparkles, but these hurt. These hurt so bad, but they look better in pictures. So I think I'm just gonna have to suck it up and wear these and only put them on when I really need to, but have some flats literally right on hands because these look better with everything, right? Okay, eat some breakfast. I'm gonna eat some breakfast real quick, charge this camera because it's showing me the battery's almost dead. Charge this camera, eat some breakfast, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm doing my makeup and stuff. I have 2 hours to be done getting dressed. Pretty good on time. There she goes, you guys. So this is the makeup I went with, very natural, very my style. I put a little pop of red to match the red dress, which I think is a good fit. Yeah, so fortunately I'm about to uncurl these things way before time because I need to finish all the reels. I have 4 different reels that I created. So I need to take these off so I can finish my reels. I might put them back on, fortunately. I like the way everything turned out. I definitely feel like this is giving Hollywood glam. I just wish I knew how to curl my hair better so it could be full, but it doesn't really matter. I'll save that for my wedding day. All right, so now that I have a moment, I'm all dressed up. I want to tell you guys a little update of what's been going on behind the scenes. So for the last hour now, my car stopped. DJ was on his way to go pick up my parents for me. And in that current moment, as he was going to do that, my car decided that it was just going to stop. Mind you, I just got an oil change yesterday. Just got an oil change yesterday. Just got my engine flushed yesterday. So it's kind of awkward that, or weird that it's happening right now, but whatever. DJ's trying to figure out if it is a gas issue, but I told him I don't think it is because I didn't have, my gas light wasn't on, but I did go out last night, but I didn't drive my car, but my gas light wasn't on, so not really sure So we are not really sure what the exact issue is. Let me take this off. I don't want to mess it up. But we're gonna try to figure that out a little bit later. But anywho, I have my friend Nessa coming to come pick me up, and I have my friend going to pick up my mom and dad to bring them here. So we're just gonna have to do what we have to do and let that be that. It is what it is. I can't do anything about what's happening right now. I can only be grateful to God because I graduated already, but I just get to celebrate again. So, and just to make matters worse, just to make matters a little bit more annoying, my cycle just came on. Ugh, I hate that. Super happy. I feel good. So, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of update. I still feel happy. I'm really happy. Look at that nude lip. Let me scare her real quick. It's okay. Fancy girl. What a day. I don't even know what to think.
It be like that sometimes.
He put gas in the car. It still won't start. I just got an oil change, engine flush, everything just yesterday morning. What the heck?
You were so close to graduation, and I want to commend you for adopting yourselves and adapting to this very unprecedented way of life. The fact that you graduated is proof, of course, not only of your intelligence, but perhaps more importantly, a trait that will always serve you well throughout the rest of your life.
Oh, there she is.
Isabella Vale or Alvarez. Leticia Nascimento.
She is right there.
Anna Watson. Alyssa Gates. Daniela Gonzalez, cum laude. Luis Villamesa.
You better walk, friend. Yes.
Sarah Colazalos. Pat Archer.
Good look at that cap. What does it say? Say BerryFae. Here we go.
Rebecca Natalis, cum laude.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Ariel Alexis, magna cum laude.
You better walk, friend. Yes. Oh wait. Okay, still the show. Go ahead, baby, do something.
Shirley Tension, cum laude.
Okay.
By the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees, I hereby confer upon each of you the baccalaureate degree for which you have been recommended with all of the honors, rights, and privileges thereunto appertaining. Congratulations, graduates of 2020.
Yeah.
I now address you for the first time as graduates of Florida Atlantic University officially.
This completes the conferral of degrees honoring our 2020 graduates.
Woo, Berry! Yes, girl. just finished graduating. Where's DJ? How you feel, dude?
I'm feeling good, baby. I'm so proud of you, girl. Oh my God, all them hours, all the hard work.
Endless hours of work.
Here's your thing, boo. You a boss. You already know that.
Hey, Nessa.
What to do?
Yes.
Proud of you, boo.
That's right.
I already know what it is.
She got support everywhere. Oh! Somebody go by Diane. By Diane. Somebody calling my name. Belle! Hello! Congratulations! Oh my goodness!
Thank you, boo.
I didn't know you walked too.
Yeah, I got my master's.
Nice!
Thank you.
Yes, girl. Turn around. Let me see. Hey, many. Okay, girl. Congratulations. Wow. What?
Oh yeah. Turn on, boo. Congratulations, babe. Good job, girl. Finally got to walk though. Feet hurt?
So bad.
Yeah. How you feel? Finally finished. All the.
Yeah, now I feel
Yeah, now you
finished.
feel finished. Turn on, boo. When you looking
outside?
cute.
You outside?
Yeah, they outside. She didn't have come in too?
They can come through. We'll take pictures down this way.
Okay, I'll tell them to come through.
Thanks, Mom. Take a picture.
Nessa, what you got? Snack?
Yep.
I'm on fatty. Oh, hey guys, we got the graduate
She okay
here.
now? She was crying on that shit.
Official, she was definitely not crying. You said crying.
Oh, you didn't tell her?
Talking about phone. What the heck? What you crying about? That's what I was about to say. I'm proud of you.
We're gonna take like 2 pictures and that's it.
Two, that's it. How about in front of that thing? I think that's cute. We gotta go.
Don't give me your camera with the snacks.
Real?
Oh, you gotta have the refreshments now. Come on. She done snuck off and got some refreshments, y'all. Y'all. Legit feet is hurting.
Who's taking mommy first? Try taking out the camera too.
Try taking it on the camera too. You don't need your hat or anything? You don't have to.
Oh no, probably not.
Graduate.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Turn on the view. Got him,
girl.
She's like, I'm ready to get out of this school.